Let's eat. Hey everyone, and welcome to Cooking Incognito. On the menu today, we're going to be making Chicken Alfredo Lasagna. Let's get started. All right, first things first, we're going to go ahead and heat up our pan on about medium heat, and we're going to add in our heavy whipping cream. All right, now that our heavy whipping cream is in the pan, we're going to add in 6 ounces of our grated Parmesan cheese. All right, now we're going to go ahead and blend up our cheese with our heavy whipping cream and then move on to our next step. All right, you're going to go ahead and chop up a half a stick of butter, or you can leave it whole. I chopped it up just to make it easier for me. And we're going to go ahead and put those pieces inside of our sauce. All right, we're going to go ahead and blend up our butter in our sauce. Be sure not to have your fire too high. You don't want your cheese to bubble too much and burn. We're going to go ahead and add in about a cup or a cup and a half of spinach, depending on how much veggies you like. You can add as much as you want, but I'm doing a cup to about a cup and a half. And go ahead and blend your spinach in with your sauce. Looks yummy and smells yummy. Now we have our chicken that we have to chop up. You can either make your own chicken or you can buy it already made and just chop it up. This channel is about easy and quick but still delicious. So go ahead and put your chicken inside your sauce, and we're going to go ahead and blend everything up as well. All right, now let's get started with layering this yummy dish. You're gonna go ahead and put your pasta down first. I didn't show this in the beginning, but I did boil my pasta for about 5 to 7 minutes, not too long. And then you just put it to the side once it's drained and until you finish your sauce. So go ahead and layer your pasta in your pan. And our first step is to get a spoonful of our yummy, delicious cheese sauce, and then we'll go from there. So go ahead and put all that delicious flavor on your pasta. All right, now we're going to go ahead and start adding on some Parmesan cheese on top of our sauce, grated Parmesan cheese. I did get the cheese in the bag. And we're going to repeat the steps of the pasta, the sauce with the chicken, and then the Parmesan cheese until you get the desired layers of lasagna that you will like, depending on how many people you're feeding. All right, we're going to bake this baby in the oven on 350 to 375 for about 25 minutes. And then we're going to bake it uncovered for about another 10 minutes to get it nice and crispy on the outside. And then you're going to take it out, let it cool off, and you're going to enjoy. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and come back for more yummy videos.